These ultra-modern LED outdoor lights were gifted to us from Zhang Lighting. They are absolutely beautiful. As you can see, they have 3 tiers of lights. This is on during the day, so you can imagine how bright it actually is going to be at night. They're unique. We absolutely love them. I wanted to show you the other one before we install it, so I can show you what the back is like. It is so easy to install. Let me show you. Okay, so here I am. As you can see, it is a big unit. So it comes in a pack of 2. It comes with your little connectors and your wire caps. So it is solid. It's a metal. It's not plastic at all. So it comes with a little metal plate. Now this plate attaches to the wall with 2 of the screws. Then you attach the 2 wires, one to the white, one to the black, and then there's a ground. You must earth it as well. And then you attach this to that plate, and that is it. This is a little narrow area here. So I suggest to put these little screws on a magnetic screwdriver so that you can reach in there, because it's not too easy with your fingers. So I would recommend doing that. That's the only thing that I would suggest because of the narrow fitting. But it goes flush against the wall, just that little bit away. You can see close up the LED 3-tier. That is on during the day. So you can imagine how gorgeous and bright it's going to be tonight when we turn it on. We're so excited. We have just installed them and we love them. And thank you so much for Zhang Lighting for gifting us these.